Embark on a journey of curiosity with us. What fascinating questions are we exploring today?
You can hear a fetal heartbeat on ultrasound as early as 6 weeks, but this usually requires a specialized transvaginal scan. By 8 to 10 weeks, a standard abdominal ultrasound can often detect the heartbeat more easily. Hearing the heartbeat is a key milestone that confirms a healthy early pregnancy and brings excitement for expectant parents.
Another mystery solved, but many more await. Keep up with our daily discoveries by subscribing and turning on notifications.